In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your Hostinger balance to purchase a service within your Hostinger account. Hostinger balance basically is your affiliate balance which you can transfer into your Hostinger account and then use it further for your purchase within your Hostinger account. So let's move further towards our video. So I have logged into my Hostinger account and you will check your Hostinger balance in that refer and earn section. So I will click here, and if I go to my earnings section, you will see your Hostinger balance here. You can see I have 2.55 USD here. You will claim it once you reach $30. I have reached up to 50 and up to 40, and then I transfer it into Hostinger balance. You can also withdraw it into your PayPal and bank account through wire transfer. But for wire transfer, you must have 200 USD, and for PayPal, you have to reach a minimum of 50 USD. But you can also transfer it into Hostinger balance and purchase Hostinger services within your Hostinger account. So uh, you can see I have 2.55 USD. I have spent other on different spendings. So to purchase our domain using this uh, balance or any other service, whether you have more than 50 USD, you can also purchase you can also purchase hosting through that balance. So I will go to the domains, and here I will click on add new domain, and I will click on get a new domain. Here I will search for a domain name. I have uh, copied one, and I will paste it over here and click on search. You can see it showed buy in Pakistan.io, but I don't want this. I want another one with .shop domain. So with .shop extension. So you can see save 97%, and it will cost around 1 USD for first year, and then I have to pay $35 annually. So to purchase it, I have to click on add to cart and then click on continue to cart, and for 1 year it will cost 0.99, and if I can click on continue to checkout, you can see it will show my card here, but I do not want to purchase it via card payment. So to purchase it through hosting a balance, I have to click here, choose a different payment method, and it will automatically uh, add hosting a balance here. And now I click on choose payment method and processing your payment, and payment successful. I do not have to uh, what you can say, I do not have to choose it manually. It will automatically select hosting a balance, and now my payment have been made. If I click on continue to cart again, it will show an error. It will show an error that this domain is not available, so our purchase have been made successfully. If I go to domain portfolio, so you can see this buy in Pakistan.shop is here. We have to confirm its payment status. Just click over here, and I have to just finish its registration. So I will click on finish registration and verifying your personal details, finishing your domain registration. It will take a few moments, and then my domain will be available to use. So you can see start using your domain now. And if I click on continue, it will ask me to purchase a hosting which I do not want to. So I will click on skip for now. And now my this domain is added into my domain catalog. So if I go to the domains and domain portfolio, you can see that buyinpakistan.shop is added into my uh, hosting account. Case my domain have been added here, I have just purchased it through that hosting a balance. So if I go to my earning again, so you can see my balance have been deducted. It cost me around 1.5 or 1.2 USD, and including tax. So in this way, you can use your hosting balance to purchase uh, a service within Hostinger. So hope you like this video. If you like it, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.